Hello guys, this video is for Geometry Week 1 Thursday. This will be the last video of the week. And our lesson today is on isosceles and equilateral triangles. I know we have already talked about isosceles, but some questions will come up on the second page of your homework. So maybe we'll go over like one of those homework questions. But we are mainly focusing on equilateral triangles. And here are your notes on the top. So equilateral triangle is a triangle if and only if it's equilateral and equiangular. So if it's one, then it will be the other. Okay, and remember if it's equiangular, that means all three of these angles are the same. Okay, and then AB would equal to BC and it equals to CA. And then if these three lengths are the same, then measure of angle A equals to measure of angle B, which equals to measure of angle C. Three sides are the same. Okay, so I really want you guys to know that this one is super, super easy. If you know it's equilateral, you're like, yes, I'm lucky, I got the easy question. Okay, because all three of these angles are, no matter what, they're 60 degrees. Okay, the three length, if this is like 5, then the other ones are obviously 5 still. Okay, but it doesn't always have to be 5. The 60 must be 60s because we have 180 and we divide it by 3. So obviously it's 60 degrees. Okay, let's do two examples. If I have A, B, and C, and we say that these three lengths are the same, and they ask you for x plus 8 degrees. How would we find x? All we know is that three lengths are the same. So remember, we just talked about it right now. This angle is going to equal to 60 degrees. Okay, because we're only looking at one angle. And then you just solve for it. Subtract 8 on both sides and equals to 52. X would be 13. That's it. Okay, let's do another one. If I have a bigger triangle, let's pretend these are all 60 degrees. And they give you 7x plus 19, 11x minus 89. What do we know about those two sides? Actually, three sides are the same. But since they only gave us two sides, all we gotta do is just set them equal to each other. And then we subtract 11x on both sides, minus 19 on both sides. Cross out, we have negative 4x equals to negative 100. So x would be, did I do it right? Negative 4. No, that's not 100. That would be 108. Okay, so x would be 27. And that's it for my examples. Let's look at your homework questions. So take notes for that part. Number 1 and 2, I will let you do that on your own because those are really easy. I will start on number 3 for you, but you gotta finish it. Okay, so if PQR is an equilateral triangle, solve for x and y. These are all congruent, and then my angles, remember they're all congruent also. So we can take our angle, 7x minus 3, that equals to 60 degrees. Okay, and then we have our three sides, they're all the same. So just randomly take two sides and set them equal to each other. We can just take our 14y minus 59 and set it equal to this one. Okay, so 14y minus 59 equals to 9y plus 1. Okay, you go ahead and finish the rest of the math from there. Let's go on to the next page. Let me do number 3 for you. Okay, number 3, we have a triangle. By the way, all of these questions are mainly for isosceles triangle. Okay, FYI. So for this one right here, I have KLM. And here they're saying that K and L are congruent. These two are the same. That means where do I put my tally marks at? We put it the ones that are touching K and L, or one stay touching K with the other one touching L, and you can see the isosceles triangle right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and circle KM and LM. LM and KM. I circled them because I know they're equal to each other. So 7x minus 37 equals to 3x plus 23. Subtract 3x, add 37. Cross out, I have 4x equals to 60. X would be 15. Okay, so I know my 15 right there. And remember we just said LM and KM are the same thing. So we just need to do it for one, and then KL is separate. So for LM, 7 parentheses minus 37, 9 parentheses minus 40. I'm going to put my 15 in there, the 15 in there. We will get, let's see, we're going to get 68 and 95. Okay, 68 for the 2 and 95 for this one. That's it. Okay, go ahead and finish the rest of the questions. I will not have a video for day 5 because day 5 is a quiz, a 6-question quiz. Everything's due on Friday. I mean, day 3, 4, and 5 are due on Friday, so make sure you submit that by Friday. Okay, have a good day. Bye.